We are providing a Flask application and an Android app where the user can upload images which will be sent to the server via the REST API. The user is provided with a graphical representation of the GPS coordinates of each corresponding image with number of crops detected in that image. This will give the user a visual idea of the number of crops in his field as a whole. The user also gets the visual part traversed by the drone taking images over the field. Lastly, a satellite view of the field is provided, over which the actual location of all the uploaded images have been marked, so that the user gets a better idea of the yield prediction in the field. The health of the plant will be calculated with the help of Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, that is NDVI. NDVI is a measure of the state of plant health based on how the plant reflects light at certain frequencies. When the plant becomes dehydrated, sick, afflicted with disease, the spongy layer degrades and the plant absorbs more near infrared light rather than reflecting it. A given region in which there is a period of reduced plant growth due to lack of precipitation can also be identified with the same data. For calculation of NDVI, we require red, green and NIR band. We will be using the Python library Pillow to extract the bands from the images and then create the heat map based on the NDVI calculation. In the absence of NIR band, instead of NDVI, we will use Vary, which only requires RGB bands and gives similar information on crop health.